Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today. Yes, it's weekend. Daily Sudoku practice continues. In today's newspaper, we have here uh, two regular puzzles here in today's newspaper of Saturday, April the 13th, 2024. Look, April the 13th, 2024. Two regular puzzles. Let me show you. The medium Sudoku, I will solve this in a minute. And we have also a regular samurai Sudoku. This I will do tomorrow evening, Sunday evening. In today's newspaper, we have also a puzzle page with 6 extra puzzles, 2 Sudokus with 3 stars, 1 killer Sudoku, 2 binaries 10 by 10, and 1 tectonic jigsaw Sudoku. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, and tomorrow evening we have a puzzle page. An additional with 6 extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. Then 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. 4 of them I will solve tomorrow in the afternoon. But now, let me solve this medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number 8355. Alright, let me zoom this. Position the camera. Alright. And this will be. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. 26 printed digits. If you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus, in additional, it will be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright. So, let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? 187. Well. We have 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here. On there, we have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 7. We have 1 and a 7 in the middle column, so no 1 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in the middle column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 9 goes there. Alright. Okay. And now 7. Okay. How about the 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row? So the row below, the only 2 places left, the 1 should be here. On there, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 7. Need a 7 here. Okay. Then. Need a 7 there. Need an 8 here. So I need a 3 here. Come on. 2. Yeah. I need a 4 here. 8, 9, 3, 8. No. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Need a 3 here. Okay. Need 8 there. 9. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 9. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. And there can be a 9. We have a 9 in this big square. So no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 in the third column should be there. Okay, 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this column. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Here or there. You see a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. Then 2 here. 1, 4. 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6. Let me see. Come on. 3. 1 and a 7. Overlook this one. 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 in this row. 1 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column. 1 in the middle second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. I need a 7 here. Well, we have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in this column, last column. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. On that column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 in the row above, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. In this big square, we have a 9 in this column. So no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in this row. 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 in the last column. No 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Right, 2. I need an 8 here. Need a 6. Need a 4. Then, yeah, let me think. 7, 2. Need a 2. 2. Can it be 2? 2. Well. 2. Okay. 2 and 5. 4 missing numbers in this big square. two of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and a 5. We have 2 and a 5 in the third column. So no 2 and a 5 in these two boxes. 2 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be in the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. Let me mark those. Cannot fill this yet. So here also 4 and the 6 are left in this row. 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. We have here 5 missing numbers. In this big square, 1 of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. Let me see. Need a 5 here. Need a 3 here. Need a 4 here. 3, 4, 5, okay. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6. 3 and 6. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 now in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be in. The 6 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left 8 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 7, so the 7 goes at there. Then these 3 missing numbers in this big square are numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, and look, we have a 4 and a 5 in this row, so no 4 and 5 in this box. 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. 2 in this row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 6 and 4. So 2 numbers left in the second column for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing, 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing, 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here and the 7 goes there, 4 and the 5, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here and the 5 goes in there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So, here, 2, 6, 5, 2, 6, 5, 2, 6, 5. Well, need to wait. I need to wait. Here, 2 missing numbers. In the second row, the 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6. Let me mark those. 7, the 1. The 8, need the 8 here. Okay. We have 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left 8. Could be here, could be there. We have the 9. We have also the 4. Well, need a 4 here. Okay. Come on. These 3 missing numbers should be the 3, 4, 5 here. 3, 4, 5. These missing numbers should be the 2, 5, 6. 2, 5, 6. Here 2, 5. 2, 5, 6, okay. Need a 6 here. Come on. How about the 3? 3, need a 3 there. 3. Come on. stuck here. 8. 7 is already 1. But the 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left. 2 could be here, could be there. Overlook this 3 and a 6. We have a 3 here. 3 and a 6. We have 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Overlook 6 and 8. We have 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8, I've already marked those 2 boxes with 8. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 numbers left in the third row. 4 numbers to 1. 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Cannot fill this yet, but here we have a pair. Also 2 and 5, 2 and 5. That means 1 digit left in this column. For number 3, 1, 2, 3 is missing. So here should be the 4 and the 5 on left. 3 and the 6. We have a 3 now. So this box should be 6. 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers to 1 and 2. 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 3 in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column. 4 in that column. So the column between. Only place left for 4 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last column. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 2. We have a 2 in the last column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. So 2 numbers left, 5 and 6. We have 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, 15 to 20 minutes, correct? Definitely a 2 stars puzzle, and we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. We'll meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.